Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a baby hat. I will be using the color bright pink and the color white, a ruler, size 4.5 hook and scissors. If you like these tutorials, please remember to like, comment and share so I can keep making this type of videos for you. So now let's begin. Go around your finger twice, bring this one to the front, now bring the other one, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now make 10 double crochet on the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So pull this there, a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Make sure to pull this on the back and make a knot. So this won't unravel. Chain 2, 1, 2. Chain 2 does not count as a stitch here and throughout the pattern. Make 2 double crochet in the same space where you chain 2. So 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet on the next stitch, and you will continue this pattern all the way to the end. So 2 double crochet on each stitch around. I will meet you at the end. This is the end of round number 2. A slip stitch on top of the first double crochet to end this round, and you should have a total of 20 double crochet stitches. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same space that you just chain 2, 2 double crochet on the next stitch, one double crochet, and you will follow this pattern. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet on the next stitch. I will meet you at the end of this round. This is the last stitch. Make 2 double crochet on the last stitch, and you should have a total of 30 double crochet for this round. Slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, chain 2, make 1 double crochet in the same space, 2 double crochet on the next stitch, and you will repeat this pattern. So for round number 4 you will repeat what you did on round number 3, which will be 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. I will meet you at the end of this round. This is the end of round number 4. You should have a total of 45 double crochet stitches, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Okay, so this is round number 5. I recommend using a stitch marker so you won't get lost. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, 1, 2, 1 single crochet, and you will repeat this pattern all the way to the end. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, 1, 2, 1 single crochet, and I will meet you at the end. This is the end of round number 5. Chain 3, 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space from the beginning. So for this pattern you work in a spiral mode, which means that you will be going around without seeing a clear line at the end, but you should have 18 chain 3 spaces for each round, and keep moving the stitch marker so you won't get lost. So I will move it right here so I know that's the beginning. Chain 3, 1 2 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern all the way to the end. This is the end of round number 6. Chain 3, 1 2 3, and here is the stitch marker on the very first single crochet. So make a single crochet into the chain 3 space, the very first one, and with this one you have 18 chain 3 spaces. For every round you will have 18 chain 3 spaces, and you will repeat this pattern from round 7 to round 13. It will be just the same. I will meet you at the end of round number 13. Okay, so this is the end of round number 13. Chain 3, 1 2 3, and instead of making a single crochet into the chain 3 space, you will slip stitch, because this is the last round for the chain 3 spaces. Now chain 1, make 2 half double crochet in the same space, the chain 3 space. So 1 2, make 1 half double crochet on top of the single crochet from the previous round, and you will repeat this pattern. So 2 half double crochet into the chain 3 space, 1 half double crochet on top of the single crochet from the previous round. So continue this pattern and I will meet you at the end. This is the last chain 3 space, and make 1 half double crochet at the base of the very first stitch. That's optional. Now slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet, and that's it. I will make another video to add an edge to this hat, but that's for a different style, so you can leave it just as it is with a little heart right here. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this one, please like, comment and share. See you next time. Bye bye.